Hi, folks. This is Lee Gettess with the Market Sense for the week of September 17th, 2013. As always, the charts we use come from the Trade Navigator software. And I have to say, when looking at these charts, we've already had some fireworks this week, and the majority of the fireworks we'll see probably won't start till Wednesday afternoon. But what we had here, this is the 30-year bonds, and what they did is they spiked up Sunday evening and into Monday morning up here into resistance, which this is around 3108. They got a little bit through that. The spike was basically on the news that Larry Summers had removed himself from consideration to be Fed chairman. Now, I think that is good news. I'm not sure it was worth the spike we saw in the markets, but at any rate, they were up to that resistance and they have not been back up there. Instead, they've come down and held right around, well, that supports 130.04. They've been a little below that. But, I think we're in a holding pattern until Wednesday afternoon. We'll find out if the Fed is going to start tapering or what they have to say about it. And I think support down here in 128.28 area or resistance here at the mid-Keltner channel up above 134. I think both of those are very possible, both to be hit and broken for that matter, although there's not a necessity that either of them get drilled. At this point, I'm not sure I understand exactly what the market is anticipating, so I really just don't have any idea what the reaction to it will be, but I do think it'll occur somewhere around noon Wednesday. And in stocks, we have sort of the similar situation. You can see this big gap up that occurred because of the Larry Summers news. They have backed off from that a little bit, but the back off wasn't much, and I think they probably really wanted to go up anyway. I think that's what this price pattern leading up to this week was looking like. But I think this might have hastened the process. I think they might be a little higher than they expected to be at this point. The support for this week is all the way down at 1667, and I think it would take some sort of disappointment in the Fed statement to get them back down there. They're already playing around at new highs for the year here, and I say playing around because they're kind of sort of there, but they're not really rocking and rolling. I don't really want to talk about resistance at new highs because, hey, new highs are new highs. I think that just means they're blowing off to someplace, and that blow off could be much higher than where they are. I don't want to guess where the high might be. But I think, again, everything is totally predicated on how they react to the Fed statement and press conference Wednesday afternoon. And I just don't even have an idea what they're anticipating. So I just have no clue how they're going to react. So I think all we can do is wait and see how they behave Wednesday and see if they're up or down or what, and try to deal with them from there. So that's all we've got for you today. I sure hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into, although I hope you'll wait until Thursday or Friday. Thanks for checking in to see what we think.